Now, one more variant in this program I am explaining. This is the 12.11. Through this program, you can understand very important point. Actually, here also I am not using super. This is just like that previous program. I am not calling superclass methods. But here in implementation class, I am making a change that you must perceive it perfectly. Here already I told you all superclass types are compatible for subclass object. Illustratively, you are your type, you are your father's type, you are your grandfather's type, you are your great grandfather's type. So, this is upcasting. So, you are the type of yourself as well as your forefathers. Okay. That point, but in this you are your father's type, but your father is not your type. That is wrong. That point you remember. Here you see, and that point only I am establishing through this example. Here A class is there, superclass, B its subclass, C subclass. Now, here I want to create C object, but reference type here A is also compatible, because here what I can put, either C or B or A, all three are compatible for C. What about B? For B only two are compatible, one is B, other one is A. Okay. That point you remember. Now, C, I have written A, but it perfectly compatible because C is of S type. Now, object 1 demo I have written, then which output is printed, this version or this version or this version, that is the doubt. Here a reference type is A, object type is C, then which version is printed. Then you must remember that this one, always objects type, not the reference type. As a result of that, what is printed? As a result of that, what is printed? C class X 300, that you remember. Come to the next. Here also I put A, but object is B. Reference type is A, object type is B. So, demo I have called. Which demo is executed? Either this or this, this or this. But as I told you, always you take into consideration of objects type, not reference type. Object to demo. That means object to demo is B. Here B is there. Now, B class X is equal to 200. Next, object 3, reference type is B. For C, B is compatible. B is compatible. That is why I have taken C. C's reference type is B. Now, which version is printed? The same version, that is C class X is equal to 300. Okay. So, this point very important point, and practically you have to understand. That is why already I told you, for understanding simple point we have to give a big program, and through that only we can understand. Theoretically, whatever way I explain, you may not grasp it fully, some abstraction will be there. Now, in the same context we discuss one more thing. What is that? What is incompatibility? For C, what we can put? Either A or B or C are compatible. Okay. Now, as far as B is concerned, either B or A, both are compatible. As far as C is concerned, again either A or B or C are compatible. Now, what is not compatible we have to see. Now, here B I have written, either B or C are compatible. What is not compatible? This is not compatible. C object to mu B is not compatible, because this how I am telling illustratively, your father is your type, your father is similar to you, you do not accept. That is not correct. You are similar to your father, you are similar to your forefather is correct. So, here if you write like that, it looks like your father is similar to you, that is not correct. That is why it is the incompatible type. As far as C is concerned, okay, all three are. Suppose if I write A here, then what is compatible? I must write A only. I should not write either B or C. Understand this point, very, very sensitive point, you have to understand it clearly. And in real life also, whatever is the properties of property or behaviors of superclass belong to subclass, but subclass properties are not belong to superclass. Illustratively, one example I give you. Your father constructed a house, and with your earning you constructed another house beside the same house. Then somebody asked, whose houses are these two? Then what your father says, this is my house, this is my son's house. Am I right? Same question, somebody asks you the same question, what you reply? I have two houses, my house, the two houses are mine. Are you able to understand? Your father's version is, this is my house, this is my son's house. Okay. Because son's house he cannot claim as my house, but what is your version? I have two houses. You are claiming your father's house also as your own, and your house obviously you are the owner. In the similar manner, every subclass can claim its properties and its behavior as its own. At the same time, the properties and behavior of the superclass also as its own. Out of the, for that one exception is there. What is that? Private members, hidden members, constructors, and initializer blocks of superclasses are not inherited. As far as private members are concerned, actually those are inherited to the subclass, but subclass cannot access it as their status is private. Only the corresponding superclass can access it directly. These points you must remember, and you must write your own notes, and you should have concrete knowledge over that. You must own that. That only I am telling you. Then only you will be very comfortable in your programming, or otherwise every time you may face some doubt. So, doubtfully if you perform programming and all that, it may lead to bugs. That point always you remember and proceed.